Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we were visiting Dinoland Park in Clark, Pampanga. If you love dinosaur as much as we do, then tara, samahan nyo kami guys. Explore natin itong Clark Dinoland. We're here at the Dinoland. So, ito yung parking nila, medyo maluwag. Maluwag ang parking nila. Ayan. Ito ang kanilang price list. Pwede kayong magbayad through credit card or debit card. Come on, there's a show daw eh. May show daw dito pagkatapos. Alright. Come on, go inside, go inside. Oh, they are here! Alright, next attraction natin is the Jurassic Jungle Safari. So tara! At ayun guys, natapos na ang ating Jurassic Jungle Safari Ride. Nagulat tayo sa mga gorilla at dinosaurs. Next attraction natin is Insectlandia. Samahan nyo kami guys.
Other hand.
Thanks, Kuya.
Oh, there's a tiny house. Watch your head. Ang laki-lakaw nun ah. It's a beetle! Laki naman langaw niya. Pag yan dumapo sa'yo, patay ka talaga.
This one is
Oh, scorpion. Ba yan? Hindi ka kinakagat niya.
Tinanggal po namin yung
Ayan, pwede dyan. Yan na lang. So ayun, same nang sa Dino Trail. Doon sa dulo meron show. So maghihintay lang kayo. Kasi fair batch. Ayan, so dito yung waiting area. Tinga, sakto ah. So ito yung dito yung show. And that's it for today's guys. We had an amazing time exploring the park and learning more about these incredible creatures. If you're ever in the area, we highly recommended checking it out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time. Bye!